Whenever you want to practice sentence writing and learn any of Dr. Hunter's 12 ways to write a sentence, Sentence Builder is the writing tool that allows you to do just that. From the main dashboard, click Write. Select the Jane Austen character. Immediately you enter a world of sentences. Merely select any of the 12 different sentence styles you wish to master. Then click Start. This screen is the heart of Sentence Builder. At any stage, if you want to learn more about the sentence style you're crafting, you can watch a helpful video. Ready to write? Insert your cursor at the bottom of the page and start writing. Sentence Builder is just that. You build sentences a piece at a time. So, follow the instructions on screen, type just enough and place a comma. Select Next and finish your sentence. If you want some encouragement, there are examples of your sentence style, all written by published authors. In addition, if you're stuck for starting a sentence, Hot Starts offers you a great selection of possible openers. Clicking on a hot start drops it into the start of your sentence, and you're off. When you're done writing, select Finish. The sentence you wrote has automatically been saved. You can go back to it at any time, or you can select another sentence style and try your hand at that one. When you're done, return to the main dashboard.